Hello traders, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. So in this video, we are discussing an expert advisor that is a bit different from the ones that we have covered so far. And it is a gold focused tool called RPF Gold version 5.7 or V5.7. It's also from RobotForexPro. Same platform, same setup, but every EA here is listed with Myfxbook verified results. So the RobotForexPro is the website, and you can see there are several EAs available here. But in this video, this is the particular one that we're going to be discussing, the RPF Gold Expert Advisor. All right. So as usual, with other expert advisors listed here, there is a reminder that history does not guarantee what happens next. This one is confirmed for MetaTrader 4 only as well. All right. And it is also priced at $199, down from $450 with the standard license, 1 live and 1 demo, or 2 live accounts. Now, right on the page, there is an important note that the developer includes directly, which states that gold trading typically requires more capital than currency trading. All right. And this is worth taking seriously before even considering this one. Okay. Strategy wise, it is described as short-term scalping logic on XAUUSD, and the developer specifically recommends low spread or ECN broker conditions for this to perform as intended, which makes sense since gold can move fast and spread costs matter a lot more on a scalping approach. Now, the historical performance. The current Black Bull account shows a gain of 185.66%, a drawdown of 21.35%, a daily average of 1.34%, and a monthly average of 49.98%. Okay, so that monthly figure is notably higher than anything else, that we have covered so far on this website, the RobotForexPro. Okay, but let's keep going. And we can see that the absolute gain here is 78.38%. And I can see that the deposit was $1,200 and $1,000 has been withdrawn so far. And I can also see that the balance is 1,140.56. Okay, pretty good. So let's look at the older account here. It is labeled RPF Gold Scalping Test on XChief. So again, this was closed according to what is written here due to the broker's server change. And it shows a gain of 532.9% with a drawdown of 17.88%. All right, so that higher daily and monthly pace lines up with what you would expect from a scalping approach on a volatile instrument like gold. More frequent activity generally means faster compounding. All right, faster compounding, but also a different kind of risk exposure than something trading once or twice a day on a currency pair. All right, so the drawdown numbers here in the high teens to low 20s, and they aren't the largest that we've seen in this lineup, but combined with gold's natural volatility, they are still both worth taking seriously. So here, for this aggressive one, we can see deposit was $10,225.01, and no withdrawals. Profit $56,082.19. Okay. So it is also worth repeating that developer notes about capital. A scalping strategy on gold can behave very differently depending on your account size, your broker spread during volatile sessions, and slippage during fast moves. Okay, standard licensing, the licensing terms apply here too. Is for personal use only. You can see here it's for personal use only, and is non-transferable, delivered by email once your MT4 account number is provided. You can see emailed within 24 to 48 hours after your MT4 account number is provided. Okay, and then you can see that both demo and live accounts count toward your license limit. So basically, maximum of 2 accounts is what the license permits. All right. And then for the prop firm usage, rules vary by firm, so you should confirm eligibility with your prop firm before use if you are interested in making use of this expert advisor on a prop firm account. All right. So to sum it up, the Gold V5.7 is an MT4 scalping EA that was built specifically for XAUUSD, and it is best suited to low spread broker conditions with a stated capital requirement that is higher than the currency pair EAs that we have looked at so far on this RobotForexPro website. Now the performance numbers move faster in both directions, so this is one where testing on a demo first and being honest with yourself about position sizing really matters. So if you found any value in this video, or if you learned something new, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on your notifications so that you don't miss out on more valuable trading content like this. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.